We are back, I guess, on a new stream. We are back in a new stream. Hi, I am back. Thanks. Yes, the stream crashed. Something happened. That's why I said a second, and then like the dog came in. I'm not sure if Amay's here, but if Amay's not here, he just means the dog. He was asking to see the dog. Here's the dog, Amay. You're gonna have to rewind to the beginning of the stream. Don't lick my face. You're gonna have to rewind to the beginning of the stream to see me. All right, cool. Dog's here. Anyways, dog's gonna leave right now because he wants to go lay down. I truly Army One. What's up, dude? Or do that. There you go. See, she left. Guys, stream crash, new stream. May, the dog was here, but she just left. So you're gonna have to rewind. Yeah, the dog just left, so I'm sorry about that. Giving subtle hints to where the market's going. Yes, we're trying to get above this target to go back higher, right? So again, we're talking about this. We need to overtake here. So we'll see. We need to go to that 33,000, 37,000 area, right? Again, we already did Ethereum. We already did Ethereum out 2,604 in the first portion of the stream before we crash. Again, bullish divergence, trying to get for that action to the upside. Again, targets that we need to overtake. I was going to Bitcoin so we could talk about the movement down. So again, on a moving down, we're looking for 35,700 and then 34,000 and 33,300, right? So those are the targets. Yes, dog was here earlier. I think she walked in and the stream crashed. So, see what I'm saying? She doesn't have a sweater. It's her chest strap. So it's you know, her harness for walking. So that's it. Dohan, what's up, dude? All right, let's go check out ADA. ADA at $1.14. It is trying to hold. It is trying to bounce at that $1.12 mark. Again, are we doing anything bullish here? We might. We're gonna see. We didn't go in depth into ADA earlier. Part of the reason for that is we were just talking about Bitcoin. We just looked at Bitcoin, briefly Ethereum, but again, we know Bitcoin's in the driver's seat, so it don't matter. Now some alts are trying to overtake Bitcoin, and they're like really wanting to pump and be like, Bitcoin, you suck. That's what they're saying, right? That's why they're trying to rally. Neutral 42.12. Again, potential fraction to the upside. If we do bounce, we're looking for $1.21. If we drop right now, we're looking at support at $1.04. Again, not super clear as to where the market wants to go yet because we just had a massive movement down and we're starting to consolidate. So we're gonna wait for consolidation, right? Again, here we're dropping more. We had that bullish divergence. Guess what? We still have it there, and this still dropping to here, and we still have bullish divergence strong again with that. The possibility for a rally here, we can see. Although we did drop here and find support at $1.21, we lost it, then we rejected it. Now we're gonna try to climb back up to go to it. Sold at 32.48. I really wish ADA was stronger right now to really just take off and go for like over here at $1.34, or even up here at $1.52, right? But if we do drop, we're looking for a target at $1.04, and then below there, 95 cents, 95.3 cents. Yes, I can do XRP. Thank you very much for asking. Again, bullish action to the upside, starting to go for a pop. We should be going for a 20 moving average at $1.18. Sold at 33.40, man. 33.40. Nothing bearish. Again, we're just looking for that bullishness, and this pop again at $1.18. That's our target.
Yo, can you take a look at $rune/BTC Binance on the weekly and rune/USDT Binance on weekly too, please? Hope everyone is doing all right in this red markets. Cheers.
Yo, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. I want to stop doing the legendary for a lot of donations. So we're gonna do some kind of small celebration though, and we'll do a challenge accepted. Challenge accepted. There we go. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Yeah. We'll look at Rune to Bitcoin on Binance. Sure, man. All right, so we got Dono. XRP is going to get kicked to the back of the bus for now until it's its turn. Let's check Rune. All right, do Rune to Bitcoin on Binance. Bitcoin Binance, let's get it here in automatic. I'm going to zoom out quite a bit now. I want to see where we're at with regards to the macro picture. And, yo, no worries. I'm not sure. Steve's stream crashed. We crashed the stream. All right. It just, even if we anchor down here, which again, this makes sense, but also here it makes sense to anchor. I'm not trying to find anything to say, oh, we're bouncing at something or rejecting something. I'm trying to see where it makes sense to anchor at. Because we do want to get, you know, here we had about retrace, so here we pumped again. We could be looking at this on a smaller scale. And I think we're going to be doing that actually. So we're going to be looking at this at a smaller scale, 4 fibs, and then see how they work from here to the highest point. That's right around here. All right, so we are almost retracing to 100%. That is fine. Some sort of respect for the fibs. Yeah, rejection support, that's fine. All right, so we are doing a retrace for reals to 100% of the low, from the low point to the high point, right? And here what I'm looking at is the divergence. We have strong bullish divergence. We've had the potential for action to the upside. I'm going to zoom in here just so I can get a better read. And it's barely. We can even say this is sideways. If it's sideways, it's weak divergence against the RSI, and then strong bullish divergence against the MACD. In both cases, bullish. So we're looking for some potential for a rally. And we're sitting sold at 32.81. So again, a good potential that we do try to rally here. And that means that Rune should be gaining against Bitcoin. So right now it is starting to go up a bit. Hey, Pedro, how's it going, man? Thank you for joining us. We are having this movement here, and again, look at this. Look at this. Bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside. We had it to here. We pop hit the 20, rejected. Now we're creating it to down here to a new island of negative momentum. And again, not bad, right? Oversold at 28.65 with strong bullish divergence. We should be looking for a rally. We should be aiming for 0.40 and then 1,283 sats. Or sorry, yeah. I think it's 12,830 sats actually that we're at. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we are coming down lower as well, right? And coming up from negative momentum to less negative momentum. And on the hour side, we also have this divergence. There's a tiny break here of separation in the islands. I'm gonna ignore it. It's almost negligible. It just reads as 0, right? 0, 0, 0. It's not gonna affect it. This is just a straight line. And then we are going from one island to the next with that bullish divergence strong, and we should be aiming for the 20 moving average at 3 zeros and then 12,220 sats. Now this is not creating any kind of cool pattern that we could try to play off to the upside, so we're gonna wait. And sold at 33.16 again. There is going to be a resistance line that we must get above if we want to keep on looking for higher areas of value, and that line is here. This is the resistance that we are looking for, right? So we're going to make this here on this color, and that is it. Again, potential for a rally to come in. So on that note, that is Rune to Bitcoin. Now we're going to go check out Rune dollar on Binance. So we have it here. At $4.31. All right, let's get on that daily. We already looked at this in the past, and we can see that again we're doing a retrace that is deeper than that 786. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this line more or less where it's at. I just wanted to cover to where we're at for now. And if you wanted to do shorter fibs, we can, right? We can. I'll just be anchoring here at the low point, right? Here at the low point, and then here at the high point, and then see where we're at. As you can tell here, we're also doing a deep retrace. So on the larger fibs, I think it's the ones I'm going to go for now. They seem to make a little bit more sense, although they both work. This one's what we're going for. Breaking that 786, we got to overtake it again and it gives at least a quick resistance that we must go up to meet, and that is at $4.92. $4.80, sorry. Right now, sitting at $4.32. We are dropping lower, and just like the rest of the market, right, we are starting to create some bullish divergence. Sorry, we don't have it here. What is this madness? We're dropping lower. Here we do have a break. Again, these islands do count. They have data here, and we're coming more negative momentum, lower and lower still. Nothing bullish. Sold at 29.92. There is no bullish divergence for a rally to happen. Now, if it does follow the market, and by that I mean follows Bitcoin and Ethereum, we should be looking for a pop to happen. And again, this on the last hour, took the nasty drop right now, trying to go for some slight recovery. As we saw, Ethereum was trying to stagnate a bit, and we'll see on the 1 hour if this is also starting to stagnate a bit. But neutral at sold at oversold at 25.70. Nothing bullish here either, man. 1 hour chart, we have strong bullish divergence. We are getting some of that stagnation. But our nearest resistance again is at the 20 moving average for now at $4.62, and above there we're looking for at $4.80, right? Those are the targets for moves to the upside here, and we could say that we're creating weak divergence against the RSI. And again, with that, we're looking for some kind of pop to happen, aiming for a 20 moving average on Rune, right? So that is our target right now. I would be aiming for $4.80 on general, but again, once we meet the 20 moving average, we're gonna see if we're gonna reject. And if we reject and we're creating some kind of hidden divergence, hidden bearish, then yeah, we could be in trouble. But for now, looks as though we could go there and maybe even go for that $4.80 before we create some kind of hidden divergence and then start really looking for a movement down. Oversold, right? Divergence, bullish divergence, while oversold, and oversold at 28.69 right now. Let's go to XRP. XRP, man. XRP at 64.81 cents. So where XRP at? On the daily, we dropped again. Bullish divergence still in play. We're waiting for it to happen. And look, we came to support. Oh my God, at 60 something. 63.36 cents. Right now on a bounce, we could be aiming for 65.63. And again, a lot of coins, as you can tell, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin, are in small ranges, right? And that is normal. It's nothing wrong with that. It's just that there happens that a lot of crypto was doing about similar supports and resistances, right? So oversold at 28.74. Let's go to the 4 hour. What about SPX, XXP? We already did earlier today. Sorry, you're talking about XXP. Yeah, the S&P 500. We already or SPY. We already looked at it earlier, man. It dropped quite a bit. You know, in general, stocks are dropping. Oversold at 24.98. Again, nothing bullish and range bound for now until we break 65. Then we should be aiming for that 72-cent mark. If we do break below 63.36, we're looking at 58.72 at support. 1 hour chart again, also coming lower. Negative momentum, less of that negative momentum. So we are creating some bullish divergence here. Bullish divergence, strong. We could be looking for a potential rally, and that's precisely what we're getting, right? That rally that could lead 65.63 cents, right? We are sold at 34.70. Oh, bro. Thank you very much for that. It's much, much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Much appreciated. I said I was not going to do those little things. That's just, Don Juan, I'll do one for you as well, because you do the donation, but I'm trying to not do this one. Legendary. There we go.
Thank you very much.
I'm trying to not do these legendaries for now. We'll be doing, I'm trying to come up with a different celebration. So that's why I said we're not going to be doing them. It's just habit. I want to click those things. But thanks, guys, for the kind donations. Both of you. Much appreciated. Sold at 33.91. Again, we're looking for that action to the upside. And it looks as though we are going to go for that 65.63 cent. After that, we need to get above that 20 moving average at 66.58. And that's it for XRP. I mean, we're not having a lot. We got to wait for consolidation. And it is not the consolidation that we usually want to get. And why am I saying that? Well, just like when we have impulses up, right? Impulse up. And then we have our downsloping consolidations that come in, right? right? That this brings bullishness, and then we tend to get those pops to the upside. Well, if we flip this upside down, and I'm gonna try to flip this if I remember, is it Alt I, I think? Yeah. See what it looks like? See, this is what bear pull, bear flag looks like, right? See, we're coming back down, and then we're flipping up, right? So we're consolidating up, sloping. That is gonna get us exhaustion, right, on the buyer side, and then we're gonna break back down again. So if we look at this again, impulse up. If you want to say this right, impulse up, down, sloping consolidation. We're looking for that impulse up, right? So if we look at this with that way of looking at things, again, impulse down, right? Up, sloping consolidation. We're gonna get that continuation to the downside. So we are consolidating up, sloping again. Not what I want to get, but you know, here's what we have for now. Again, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Sorry, new stream. Last one crashed, so we are back though. 2 minutes, and then we're gonna be off the air, guys. We're gonna be playing a community building exercise. We're gonna be playing a poker game for chips, not for real money. It's just a play game that we're gonna be doing offline to you know, engage with the community and have a little bit of fun. So if you want to join us, I think Preparing for War has a link to that, and you can also join us on the Discord, right? Again, Bitcoin getting above, finally, 36,556. If we do manage to close here again, we could come back to back test it. Should be looking for that 37. If we're claiming 37 and that 20, man, we could be on track to some recovery, man. 39,000, maybe the 40,000s. If we don't, again, here, the upslope consolidation is not super evident, but we are getting some kind of upsloping consolidation. Not the best. Why am I saying it's not the best? Because if you look at this in theory, we are still coming slightly lower, and we are coming higher here, right? So we're creating a kind of triangle, and those pennants do tend to bring continuation as well. So again, it could be an action to downside here. The best consolidation we could have done would have been down sloping consolidation, and that consolidation down sloping would have brought some seller exhaustion, and that we could have been looking for the buyers to take control and go higher. But right now we're looking at a point where we could try to do a reversal. It just depends on Bitcoin going higher from here. So again, 37,293 on the move to the upside, 35,733 on a move to the downside. And below there we have 34,151, and then above there, 37, we have 39,291. Those are the targets for Bitcoin up and down. So again, guys, we came in earlier. We talked about an hour about Bitcoin, how we called yesterday the 10% drop. And I told you guys, it looks like we're going to go for a 10% drop. We dropped. Again, we talked targets. We did a more in-depth where we could go on Bitcoin earlier today. It's a long stream. It was about an hour. And long for the time that we usually do. And right now, we're just coming live short for like half an hour to do some coins. Right. So we are gonna go play a game. So if you guys want to join us there, Prepare for War has sent the link. I'm actually gonna go join here in a second once I log off the air. Guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be it for tonight. Like I said, we're gonna keep it short right now. If you like the content, make sure you hit the like and the bell and the sub, and you join us on the Discord. Right, links have gone out. They're pinned at the top of the chat. And on that note, guys, we're gonna be calling it an early stream right now. Again, came in earlier. If you guys want to catch that content, it was earlier today. Hit the likes, hit the bells and the subs, right? That's important. It really lets YouTube know that you enjoy the content, and then I'll promote it to other people that have similar tastes to what you have, and it really helps our channel grow. So if you believe in the content, you want to help us grow, make sure you hit the likes. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, we're going to call it early, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto, unless you join us for the game. But for now, until then.